When your phone is not working properly, it can be frustrating. This video will cover our Motorola phone warranty and repair process, including how to submit, any cost, turnaround time, and how to track the status. This is only applicable to Motorola phones purchased within the United States. Before we begin, let's ensure that your phone genuinely requires our repair process. Our online repair process is always available, but we suggest you start with some troubleshooting first. As a best practice, visit the Play Store often to ensure apps are updated and power cycle your device every 3 to 5 days. Sometimes issues that are battery or display related can be resolved by updating or refreshing your software. You can do this via our Rescue and Smart Assistant tool. You can find the links in the description of this video. What if you have a broken screen? Certain hardware issues such as a broken, shattered, or cracked screen can be repaired. These repairs are considered accidental damage and outside of our warranty, so a repair fee will apply. Screen repairs are eligible for coverage under our MotoCare Accident Protection Plan. If you are technically inclined, you can do it yourself, or you can order an online repair kit from iFixit. This option is commonly used for screen or battery repairs. A link to iFixit will be included at the end of this video. For in-warranty phones that need repair, we offer a mail-in option. Just complete our online submission form and send your device to us with the prepaid label provided. Once received, we will repair your device and send it back within 3 to 5 business days. If we are unable to repair your device, we will send you a like-new replacement instead. If your device is within the warranty period and you have no physical or liquid damage, we will cover the repair and shipping costs. A fee will be applied for devices that are considered out of warranty unless the device is covered under one of our MotoCare protection plans. Out of warranty fees differ by phone model and repair type. Uncertain if your device is under warranty or if you have a MotoCare protection plan? Not a problem. Just visit our warranty lookup or My Products pages on our customer support site to check the status of your warranty. Make sure to have your IMEI handy. The IMEI is located in the settings menu of the device or can be accessed by dialing *#06# from the phone keypad. If your device is unable to power on, please check the box that the device came in or refer to a recent billing statement. Submitting a repair online just takes a few minutes. Log in, select an existing device, or add your device. Tell us the issue you are having, add your address, and proceed to submit. If you are submitting a MotoCare claim or an out-of-warranty device, a secured payment will be collected once the form is complete and submitted. We will email a shipping label and next steps. You can also choose to receive SMS updates on your repair for your protection. Back up all the information on your phone, such as photos, contacts, messages, and videos. Also, delete any personal data by unlinking or removing your Google, social media, and personal accounts. Don't worry, a link to our easy-to-follow backup guide will be provided at the end of this video. Next, remove the SIM card and any accessories such as styluses, covers, protective cases, SD cards, or chargers. These will not be returned to you when you get your device back. Now that your phone is ready for repair, be sure to package it securely and send it back to us using the shipping label we provided. Do not send the original box the device came in, as this will not be returned to you. To keep you in the know, we send repair status updates to the email provided and can also send these reminders by SMS messaging. You can also track the repair and shipping status by visiting our repair status page and entering your IMEI or service order number. For more information on the US repair process, check out the links located in the description of this video.